Gonna be doing a little unboxing.
You gonna open it?
You're gonna open it?
Yes.
Okay.
There.
Okay. Excited with what we have inside here. I just ordered new gear for the ice fishing season. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh. Daddy. Daddy, what?
Isa lang.
Because there's no more, Dad.
There's no more?
Yeah.
No, there's two. Okay. First thing is the Meathead 3/16 ounce tungsten. This is the gray and the gold. And next, woohoo! This is the Tru Grit and the Drench. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Daddy, we have the big one. Daddy,
Right,
this
so
is
this
my
is it.
one. This is
Tru Grit by Frostbite. It's 38 inches graphite.
that's my small one.
Yeah. Oh, this is so nice. Okay.
Daddy! Daddy, don't put it on, just leave it inside.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Tru Grit. Yeah. Okay, so next one is this one is a bit longer. All right.
Oh!
All right.
Daddy, that's my small one.
So this is the second item. This is called
You know it's
called
yeah.
the Drench, again by Frostbite. So this is 39 inches, and it's a medium light rod. We only got the Twilight, so this is just a trial. Yeah, it's fiberglass. JC means this is good. See? We're gonna test it out in a few weeks.